So today we are going to be playing, Tomo please, Subway Surfers. Don't know if you could, yeah. So yeah, let's get into it. Hold on. Sorry, I just need to go to the bathroom, so yeah. Let's get right into it. Okay, so let's play. Hold on. Not even that really good. Sorry, because I'm not talking. I just pretty started. Oh, it's pretty hard. So, our first round. Pretty good. Comment down below. What's your best score? You probably will cheat, like 10,000. Wait, my best score was probably more than that. So, you want me to play one more round? And I'm gonna play a lot of other games. Or I'll make another video. So, make sure to go to another video. I will comment down below what should I play. I'm gonna be 2 live videos in one day. And I might be playing Jetpack Joyride. Oh. So, see you guys. See